is what happens when you're working in the yard on Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Today is probably like the only day I could actually get away with filming outside without using a microphone. So I'm out in the Parterre Garden, and so I wanted to show you what I'm doing. I'm gonna put down more gravel, and as you can see, I've got some of the plastic. So let me flip the camera. So I had black plastic down to smother the grass, and now I'm taking the black plastic up that's under the walkway, but I'm leaving a small edge so that way the walkway gravel can help hold the plastic down, like over there, because it's very windy, and I've had any number of times where I've had to run out here and re-tack it down. So what I am doing, and I've already done it over there, if you can see those pipes, and I'm doing it right here, is that I don't know how I'm going to be running the irrigation lines. And so just to make sure that I can get it across the path, because I don't want to have to tear this up, I'm putting a conduit pipe. So it's 1 1/4 inch PVC, and basically, as you can see, I've snaked the the poly tube through it. That's 1/2 inch poly tube, so there's plenty of space. I guess, I don't know, theoretically, I mean, I guess if the electrician, for example, if I wanted to put lights in it, I guess there's probably enough room for them to fish the wire through the pipe. That way it'll get to the other side. So all I've done is I used actually my edging tool, and I dug a little trench, and I pulled out the grass, and I put the pipe in, and so now I'm just going to cover it back up with the dirt, and then I can tack the landscaping fabric down. And I'm going to do this side today because this side is pretty level. You can probably see the bumps and lumps over here. It's very uneven. A lot of that is my problem because I slightly changed the configuration of the garden. And so I was dumping dirt where I thought there was going to be flower beds. And then over here, as a result of the guy putting in the irrigation tubing, it's made some depressions over here. And so I have extra topsoil compost, and I'm just going to fill in these areas. So I want to level this out. So I probably will do this next. So maybe tomorrow what I'll do is I'll get the dirt, level this out, and then I'll put the gravel and stuff down on top of here, and then I'll tackle the big job, which is right here, last. So I'm really excited because it's coming together, and yeah. So like I said, I'm only going to do this side today because it's Thanksgiving. I need to go in and start to cook something. I am cooking a little something for myself. You know, it's just me, myself, and the pooch. But I'm excited because it's really coming together, and I had a vision in my head, and it's actually looking better than what I thought it was going to look. So say hi, Poochie. Bumpy, can you say hi? Okay, so I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, so I replaced all the landscape fabric, and I ran out down here. I always do that. So I'm only gonna basically put the gravel like up to this point because I left some room for me to tear the rest out, and then I'm gonna go down to that edge. So I used all the pegs, and I put some additional landscape pins in it just to keep it stable, so the gravel doesn't push it out too much. And yeah, so I'm ready to go, and the pooch is over there enjoying the sun. But actually, I'm gonna run in and grab a little bit of a snickety snack first. And actually, I'm going to start the bread in the bread machine. So that will be done soon. So anyway, hope you guys are enjoying your Thanksgiving. Okay, guys. So I've got all the gravel down. I know it's a little bit... Ooh. Hopefully you guys can see, because it looks like this screen, and I can't get this window open to adjust the screen. So unfortunately, it's not going to be quite as clear as what I wanted. But I put all the gravel down, so now I'm just going to rake it in place, and then I'm going to take a shower and start my Thanksgiving meal preparation. So I'll see you guys in a bit. guys, I'm back downstairs, so here we go. Okay, so here's the new section. I think I might have went a little too thick with the gravel, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it settle for a couple days, and the thing is I can use the back end of my rake to, like, in this part is really thick. I could probably use the back end of my rake to kind of like pull it down this way and then around this curve to take it down there. So, yeah. So I'm excited. I could see the end is nigh. It's nice knowing that it's almost. I'm getting there. You know, it seemed kind of. I was definitely questioning my sanity when I first started, but no, it's coming out nicely, and I think it's gonna look really nice once I'm done, and then I can start worrying about planting. So tomorrow I think I'm gonna tackle the side over here. My things are I'm gonna work on evening this depression out right here, and there's some unevenness at the other side. Kind of dips down over here, and then once I do that I can gravel this, and then I just have to probably on Saturday I'm gonna have to cut the plastic back, and whatever lumps there are I'll have to smooth those out. That was grass that I removed from a certain section. Oh, I know what it was. It was grass when I edged near the street, and so originally I didn't decide on this configuration, so I put grass where I shouldn't have. So I'll smooth it out, and by spring it should have decayed far enough down that it'll smooth out. So anyway, guys, let me show you that over there is my pile of gravel. That's what I have left to do, and so yeah, it should be enough. I hope. I mean, I got 6 tons of it, and then we'll go from there. So. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and well, I'll stop the tape for today, but I'll probably put this all in one video. And so now I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna take a shower. Actually, no, I'm gonna walk the dog first, take a shower, and then I'm gonna start on Thanksgiving dinner. I've got some bread in the bread machine. My turkey thigh has been marinating since last night, and so, you know, I'm ready to go. So see you guys in a bit. Well, see you guys tomorrow.